Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to securely access the all-new iPhone recovery screen in iOS 27 without a Mac or Windows PC. Apple has introduced a more convenient recovery experience in iOS 27 that makes troubleshooting your iPhone much easier. Previously, the iPhone could automatically enter a recovery assistant only when the device failed to start properly. However, iOS 27 removes this restriction and allowed users to manually access a maxed-out recovery screen whenever needed. The new recovery environment gives you more control over fixing software problems directly from your iPhone. Moreover, you can also troubleshoot issues, update iOS, erase the device, or run diagnostics without immediately connecting your iPhone to a computer. That's it. Let's get started. So first and foremost, you have to completely shut down your iPhone. Then you have to wait for around 1 minute to make sure the device has fully powered down. Then you have to press and hold the side button aka the power button on your iPhone. And when the Apple logo shows up, continue holding the side button. After a few moments, you will see the message, continue holding for recovery. Now keep holding the button until the screen displays loading recovery options. Then you have to release the side button once the recovery options begin loading. Your iPhone will now open the new recovery screen instead of starting normally into iOS. Now let's talk about the recovery screen options. It's worth pointing out that iOS 27 recovery screen includes several useful tools designed to help you fix different problems. Recovery Assistant. This option automatically checks your iPhone for software-related issues and attempts to resolve problems without requiring additional steps. Software Update. If your iPhone is stuck after a failed update or experiencing boot problems, this option allows you to install the latest available version of iOS. Diagnostic Mode. This feature checks your iPhone's hardware and software to identify possible issues. What's more, it can also provide recommendations if repairs may be required. Erase all content and settings. This option completely removes all data from your iPhone, similar to the erase feature available through the Settings tab. Therefore, it should only be used when you have a backup or when you want to reset the device. Recovery Mode. This option places your iPhone into traditional recovery mode, allowing you to restore the device using a Mac or Windows PC without using the usual button combination. Nearby device recovery option. On newer iPhone models, iOS 27 also includes an additional hidden recovery feature. While you are on the recovery screen, just press and hold the side button again to reveal a pop-up menu with the nearby device recovery option. This feature allows you to restore your iPhone using another nearby Apple device. Moreover, it also provides a simpler recovery method similar to the recovery feature introduced on newer iPhone models. Now let's learn how to easily exit the iOS 27 recovery screen. Just tap the power button in the top right corner and confirm that you want to restart your iPhone. Alternatively, you can just press and hold the physical side button and then choose restart or shutdown depending on your needs, and that's about it. The all-new recovery screen in iOS 27 gives iPhone users a more powerful way to handle software problems without immediately depending on a Mac or Windows PC. While most users may rarely need these tools, knowing how to access recovery mode can be extremely helpful when dealing with failed updates, startup issues, or unexpected system problems. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it in order to get the better of any frustrating problems as and when they arrive, and I'll catch you up in the next one.